our channel. So today I'm going to do a quick, super easy video on when to harvest your potatoes. So we have our container full of potatoes. As you can see, the leaves are totally hanging over. The stalk's bent. They're kind of getting a little yellow and funky looking. So you really want to harvest your potatoes when they start dying back. When they get all nasty. That's when your potatoes are gold. Be happier with the variety that we got. I don't know if this is the only variety we'll ever stick with, but it is definitely an awesome variety that just gives you flavor, creaminess. You can do anything you would do like with a red potato or a russet potato. You can do with these potatoes. Sometimes the texture of some potatoes just don't really, aren't really versatile. So these are, I'll leave a link down below. Yeah. Is in the pantry, and this wire rack that I got from like IKEA like years ago, which I'm sure you can find them still. You're just gonna take the potato, you're gonna lightly brush it, lightly. It doesn't really matter that there's dirt left on it while you're storing it. It needs to cure for about 2 weeks, but anytime you use it, if you use it before it's done curing, just wash it off in the sink. The dirt's not gonna hurt anything, so don't get all OCD on your dirt, okay? Plus, right now they're fresh, and if you try to scrape off all the dirt right now, you're gonna rip the skin and then no more potato for you. So right now we're just gonna dust it off, and then we're gonna lay it on the shelf, and you don't really want anything touching. It's okay if they like nudge up against each other, but you don't really want to like pack them on top of each other because you want air circulation to go through so they can actually cure properly. Curing is just really drying out the skin, so that's what's protecting the potato from rotting. We like to separate ours. The biggest ones the bigger potatoes will go to the back. The smaller potatoes will go to the front. The bigger potatoes we are trying to keep for next year, so those are going to be our seeds. And then the smaller potatoes are up front, and those are the ones that we're going to cook with and use until then. We're trying to keep at least 6 to 8 larger potatoes. That way we can plant 6 to 8 more plants for next year's harvest. And you know what? Keeping that size potato, I say it's still worth it. I'm going to quickly show you the rack that we have in our pantry. It goes all the way up, has 4 drawers. These are the ones that we just harvested in this video. These are the ones that we harvested a few weeks ago, or I think last week, and then these are for a few weeks ago. So see, we have the bigger potatoes in the back, smaller potatoes up front. We're hoping to keep those for seed. We have a little bit. So we've just been using the top rack first for cooking. We're just kind of FIFOing here. That's it. Hope you enjoyed today's video on how to harvest your potatoes and how to store them. Until next time, we'll see ya. We like to separate ours. The bigger potatoes blah, 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 blah.